name is Paul Smith. I'm CIO at Desert Radiology. Desert Radiology operates 11 outpatient imaging centers in the greater Las Vegas area, as well as provides virtual radiology services for numerous hospitals throughout the state of Nevada. When I joined Desert Radiology, we were a 50-year-old medical practice. The limitations of the legacy technology was holding the business back from growing. We experienced typical problems of unreliability, instability, including critical clinical systems being so unstable they might induce downtimes periodically during the week. The delivery of medical images and the patient results is completely dependent on the technology end to end. And if that's interrupted in any way, or if that is not reliable and scalable, it impacts patient care. We turned to Logicalis because of their expertise in the entire end-to-end solution design and delivery. So Logicalis came in and performed an assessment on our entire legacy technology environment. And together, we decided to completely rebuild it, everything down to the network connection and the wall plate, to 2 sophisticated state-of-the-art data centers and our entire complex healthcare network that links our dozens of hospitals together. The complexity of the problems we were trying to solve include pretty much all dimensions of technology delivery in healthcare, from network design and throughput to storage, server architecture, data center operations, networking in the facilities, wireless networking, and having all of this all work together and be rebuilt simultaneously was extraordinarily complex.
After the analysis that we did of the clinical workflows and the workflows of the administrative support staff, we were able to take that information and inform the changes that needed to be made on the applications as well as the underlying architecture. As a result of that work effort, we were able to improve the radiologist workflow by approximately 20%, and that's really through optimization of the application as well as the performance of the network to deliver the images to the physicians more quickly and in a more intuitive manner, which lets them do their work faster.
With Logicalis's help, we were able to put in state-of-the-art technology that scales in a robust fashion. Since we put this technology in place, we've been able to experience double-digit growth without any impact to the technology and with much more reliability than we ever had before. My recommendation to CIOs seeking to embark on a technology transformation for your organization would be to consider bringing in Logicalis to help with an overarching best practices recommendation. Oftentimes, the onus for this kind of architecture resides within the enterprise itself, and it's very difficult to keep up with emerging trends and the latest technology advances, and Logicalis's expertise in this area brought to bear solutions that we otherwise might not have combined ourselves. And it's worth the assessment effort to understand those possibilities because they really impact the project in the long run.